Hey there, Stampers. My name is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am excited to be here to release to you the May 2023 Class to Go featuring the Cheerful Daisies bundle from the brand new 2023-24 annual Stampin' Up! Catalog. So this beautiful bundle includes some stamps, some great greetings. It's a two-step stamp. And then some fabulous dies to complement and coordinate with them. So as part of the Class to Go, what you'll receive is you'll receive half a package of the Fresh as a Daisy DSP. Now it is a 12 by 12 DSP. If I'm mailing this kit, which I can do anywhere across Canada for just $5. I will cut this down to 6 by 12. So this one sheet is actually a cut apart sheet. So I'll strategically cut it so that you can use any one of these pieces, okay? So I'll do a quick flip through of the pattern paper. We've got some beautiful bold patterns on the one side. Love this one, love this one. And then this one here. And then when you flip it over, you've got these fabulous brush stroke kind of patterns in the new Stampin' Up! In colors. So fabulous, fabulous paper pack. When you combine the front and the back, there's so much that you can do with it. So you'll receive half a package of this DSP. You'll receive a full package of these adhesive back solid gems. You'll receive 2 yards of the wild wheat ribbon, and you'll receive the card kits for 6 different cards. And here's a little peek at 3 of the 6. So we've got this one here, we've got this one here, and then this one here. So that's just 3 of the 6 cards that you'll be making. Now you will need this bundle on hand, as well as some inks. So we chose to just focus on 2 of the new in colors because we didn't want you to feel like you needed to order all of the in colors. So we've used Wild Wheat, Moody Mauve, Garden Green, which we've carried for years, and a black ink. Okay, so those are the ink colors that you'll need. And now to participate in the class, I've got 4 different options. So option number 1, if you already have this bundle and you would like to participate in the class, then you can purchase this bundle for $45 plus $5 shipping and can ship anywhere in Canada. You'll receive the contents that I shared earlier. So half a package of the DSP, full package of the gems, 2 yards of ribbon, the 6 card kits, and I will email you the PDF showing you how the card kits go together, the measurements in case you want to recreate any of the cards, and there's links to a video for each one of those projects. Option number 2, if you don't already have this bundle, you can choose to purchase the Fresh as a Daisy suite, which includes a full package of the DSP, the gems, and the bundle for just $100.75 plus shipping and tax. Shipped direct to you. You order it through my online shop using the class host code, which I will put in the description below. And your class is free, as well as the 2 yards of ribbon. So I will send those to you separately, absolutely free, as my thank you. Now, if you are outside of Canada and would like to purchase the tutorial, that option is available as well. I will link it below. And if you're a member of my Treasure Stampers team, you can request the tutorial for free. And if you would like the card kits, then it's just $15. All right, so deadline for this class is May 10th, so it's a quick turnaround. However, kits will not ship until the week of May 29th because I'm away the last 2 weeks of May, and by the time the supplies come in, I will be gone, so I won't be able to prep them until I come home. All right, so deadline to register for the class is May 10th, and kits will ship May 29th. So I hope you choose to participate. The 6 cards that we're creating are absolutely stunning. I know that you will love them. And yeah, I hope you choose to participate. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.